Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else.
Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit in Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a stock which has recently corrected more than 50% and where Rakesh Jhunjhunwala has increased his shareholding to 1 crore shares. His stake has gone up to 3.19% in the September quarter from 2.76% in the June quarter. This is the same time that the stock has really got butchered in the markets. Please watch this video to know the identity of the stock. Now the company in question is Diwan Housing Finance Corporation Limited, which is available at Rs 268.80 and the face value for it is 10. The symbol for it is DHFL. Now the big bull Rakesh Jhunjhunwala has bought 13,34,736 equity shares during the September quarter, taking his total holding to 1 crore shares from 86,65,264 shares quarter on quarter when the stock was bleeding. In the first 2.5 months of July to September period, the stock traded in the range of around 600 to 680 levels, but in the last fortnight of September month, it was a nightmare for the stock. On September 21, the stock tanked 55% in a single day, followed by a range-bound movement. Now, the reason behind this was the fact that the ILNFS defaulted on several interest payments to bondholders, which resulted into redemption pressure for mutual fund houses. This caused heavy selling pressure in the stock as well as in other non-banking finance companies and housing finance companies. Now, the September quarter shareholding pattern also showed that BNP Paribas Arbitrage bought 1.7% stake in the company. Besides this, LIC also increased its stake in the company to 3.44% from 2.87% earlier, while IIFL Securities offloaded its entire exposure, which was 1.03%. Now looking at the financials, the company is available at a price to earnings ratio of 6.26, which is dirt cheap when compared with the industry PE of 19.66. The price to book of 0.96 is also very cheap. The company also has a decent dividend yield of 2.05%. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.